guys, if you are thinking about relocating to the North Dallas area, stay tuned. We're going to be walking this gorgeous Highland home today here in the beautiful community of Sandbrock Ranch.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Karla here. We are local realtors here in the Dallas area. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our videos that we post each and every week. We do help many families just like yours buy, sell, invest, and relocate here into the Dallas area. So if you are interested in learning more about this area, give us a call. We would love to chat with you, love to connect with you, and answer any questions that you may have. All right, well, there you have it, guys. I hope that you liked the walkthrough of this beautiful Highland homes here in Sandbrock Ranch. We are walking out right now, and we love it. We like the floor plan. We love the finishes. Those man, high ceilings are incredible with the beams. So yeah, guys, so let us know what you thought of the video. Leave a comment. We would love to hear from you. We do answer and reply to all of our comments. So we would love to hear from you. Our information is going to be right up here. If you guys are wanting to, hey, if you're interested in this house or any Highland homes here in Sandbrock Ranch, we would love to partner up with you. Let's get you into your dream home.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.